Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to install macOS on an external hard drive. First thing, connect the external drive to your Mac. Open Disk Utility, go to Applications, then Utilities. Click View, then Show All Devices. Select your external hard drive and click Erase, then choose Format, APFS, Scheme, GYID partition map, and name it Splash. Then click Erase and wait for the process to complete. Now open the App Store and search for macOS Monterey. Click Get and download the installer. The installer will appear in Applications as Install macOS Monterey. Now open Finder, then Applications. Launch Install macOS, then click Continue, then agree to the terms. On the drive selection screen, click Show All Disks. Select your external hard drive and click Continue. Then select the user to set as the owner. Just click Install and follow the prompts. Make sure your Mac is plugged in if using a MacBook. Now open System Preferences and Start Up Disk. Unlock the preference pane and select your external drive as the startup disk. Now restart your Mac to boot from the external drive. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.